YouTube, what up? It's your boy Big Chama 33721. Excuse the lighting, I know it's kind of dark, you know what I'm saying? I'm a dark dude, so you know. But anyway, man, just came to give y'all another quick little thing, man. What I'm doing right now, my double do-rag method. Right now, man, like I said, I'm about 5 weeks in. My hair's still manageable. I think I got it to lay down perfect. You know what I mean? I got it trained to lay down how I needed to. You know what I'm saying? This right here's the Annie do-rag, man. I like the silk Annie do-rag, so that's just what I like. For me not to get that line, though, you know what I'm saying? I don't even wrap it around like that. I just tighten it up in the back. Not too tight, but tight enough so it don't be just coming off, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pull it, make sure I got it, you know. So it's kind of loose, but don't worry. This right here is a wave builder do-rag. So many ways, man, I've been looking for it. I see it on there, bro, but every time, I mean, it's hard as hell to find. You know what I'm saying? The only place I seen had it was that Mike's online beauty store or whatever. And man, they be sold out every goddamn, seem like every goddamn day, you dig? So man, if y'all, I mean, shit, if y'all people on YouTube, bro, if y'all know they have some, bro, you know, comment my video or something, let me know so I can jump on it and all that. Get one of those. I want to try them out, see what they're talking about. But right now, these not Annie do-rags, I'm sorry. These the Annie silk do-rags, that's like my favorite, my main do-rags that I use on my head. And the wave build, I use these to tighten up on my head, you know what I'm saying? So, but I like it, you know what I'm saying? I like them. The wave builders, these do-rags be nice, you know what I'm saying? Annie, them silk, them satin do-rags, or whatever it's called, I like them a lot. You know what I'm saying? I use them. I use them for everything. And these cloth do-rags. I don't really use, you know what I'm saying, those other do-rags, the older do-rags, no more the black ones. You know, y'all know the old do-rags, the throwback do-rags, the ones, they black and they thin or whatever. I don't really use them anymore. You know what I mean? I used them a lot growing up. But this is what I'm on right now. These are do-rags I use. I mean, these are the ones most effective for me. These is what keep my hair laying down, trained how I need it to be. I just want to give some shout outs to a couple people, man, to people in the wave game, because these dudes, man, I ain't lying, bro. Whether y'all know it or not, y'all some influential people, bro. Like, for real, like, real talk. I mean, I'm 27 years old, and I'm pretty sure some of y'all cats younger than me, you know what I'm saying? But y'all doing y'all thing, bro. I respect to the fullest, man. Number one, shout out to my boy JF, man. That boy there, bro. The knowledge that he spit to the people, that he give people, bro, that he let be known for the people, man. I respect this dude to the fullest. That's real to me. There's no other way to put it. You know what I mean? It's only real. You know what I mean? You're doing stuff that a lot of people need to do to train the youth to understand that, man, you can make it if you just do what you got to do. You know what I'm saying? Big shout outs to JF, man. Boy, keep doing your thing, man. Much respect. I wish you great success in what you're doing, bro, in your endeavors. Next is my dog. Next is Sir Cruz. So Cruz, bro, from what it looked like, man, it looked like you've been in the wave game for a minute. You know what I'm saying? You really speak that knowledge. You come at people direct, bro. That's kind of fly. Sometimes that's the best way to be with people. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure you talk to a lot of people. You deal with a lot of people. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Much respect to you, though. Your waves are sick. Young Wavy, man, I watch your video. You was the first dude whose videos I watched, you know what I'm saying? And you, to be real, you put me on in this stuff. I really respect you for that, man. You're consistent with it. You're real consistent, bro. That's what it takes to me. Continuity makes a lot. It means a lot, you know what I mean? You stay in touch with your fans. You keep going. You all over your Elite Wave page, all over the Elite Wavers. You everywhere, bro. Much respect, much love. Who else? I don't want to be forgetting nobody, man. Soul Seeker, it was Young Wavy and Soul Seeker. I was watching y'all videos hard. You know what I'm saying? Soul Seeker, I don't know if he still do the wave thing or whatever, but shouts out to Soul Seeker, man. He was, you know, real helpful too. Kept it real, kept it direct. You know what I'm saying? I got a wife with kids. He just showed me that even though you got a wife with kids and all that stuff, you still can do this and enjoy doing it. You know what I mean? I put out videos every now and then and I really enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's just me. I enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? And the new people I watch, man. Country Boy Waver. What's happening, man? Hey, much respect to you, son. You do your thing. I really respect you, bro. You keep it real. You keep it 100% real with your people, with your fans, you know what I mean? That's the people who subscribe to your channel. That's real to me, you know what I'm saying? You do your thing, and that's you know, much respect. Who else, man? Nino, congratulations, man, on winning Wave King, man. You're a beast, too. Your waves is nice. You do your thing, man. Keep doing it. I like the way you keep it real. You show your appreciation to the people who started you doing it. You know what I'm saying? That's real. You know what I mean? You don't find too many people who do that. You know what I mean? You really, that's real. You know what I'm saying? You're a young cat in the game. You're doing your thing. Show respect, man. I respect that about you. You know what I'm saying? If I miss anybody, man, who doing it, I'm just really speaking on the people who videos who, in all honesty, I'm truly subscribed to, who I actually check they you know what I'm saying, they channel or whatever. I get that they uploaded their videos on my email address, and I watch their videos while I'm to work on my iPad, and I watch their videos. You know what I'm saying? I really do take their tips. This double do-rag method, I got this from Young Wavy. And Nino, you know what I'm saying? I don't do the sideways, but I mean, you know, to each his own. But, you know what I mean? Them dudes, man, they helpful. You know what I'm saying? All y'all newcomers in the game, man, get on it. You know what I'm saying? Keep with the brushing, you know what I'm saying? Everybody got their own favorite brush. Crown Quality, I ain't even much lying. I'm going to get me a Crown Quality brush. I like them. They look nice, bro. That honey oak brush is just, it's player to me, that candy brush. I call them the candy series, man. Those candy brushes is just player. You know what I'm saying? To me, they don't get no better than that. You know what I mean? They stay fashionable, they stylish. Plus, they get the job done what you need. You know what I'm saying? Even though Diane, man, I use Diane's. You know what I'm saying? I started using Diane from watching Young Waving, and before I was on Waving, Forza brushes and all that. And I got buku brushes. You know what I mean? But this is my main brush, this A169. I use this whether I'm woofing, whatever. I'm 5 weeks in, and I still use this brush top notch. You know what I'm saying? But man, check out my channel, man. All y'all newbies, old schoolers, y'all check out my channel. I don't know if y'all will find useful information, but I do this. You know what I'm saying? I'm starting to get into this hardcore. I try products. I use different products, all those oils and all that. I use it. I'm trying everything. You know what I mean? If y'all, man, show your boy some love. Subscribe, comment, man. If y'all have any tips, if y'all have any questions, you know, man, just hit me up. Much respect. Once again, man. Y'all be safe, everybody in the South, in Louisiana, and Florida, man, Alabama, Mississippi. Y'all be safe out there, man. If y'all see this video, y'all be safe, man. That Hurricane Isaac, from what I heard on the news, it killed like 10 people in Haiti. You know what I mean? And it was just a tropical storm. Then y'all be careful, man. Everybody be safe. I pray that God bless all of y'all, man. God watch over His people, watch over everybody. You know what I mean? In Jesus' name. But look. Check out the page, comment. Let your boy know what's up, man. For real. Shout out to the elite people in the Wave game, man. Big ups to y'all. Keep doing y'all thing. Wave King. I'm coming, man. I know everybody else said, everybody do their thing. I'm coming. You know what I'm saying? I'm still learning how to post all this stuff on all this other stuff. You know what I'm saying? How to post it on Facebook, Twitter, how to post it on YouTube and all this other stuff. But I'm coming, man. I'm coming. But peace out, man. Y'all have any questions? You know what I'm saying? Hit your boy up. Show your boy some love. Subscribe. Holla at me. Big Timer 33721. Peace.